Welcome to IOGEAR's Data Rack Accessories product showcase video. In this video, we will be going over our new data racks and accessories details and features of each product. Let's start with the rack shelves. Here we have our data rack shelves and cable management ducts mounted on a standard 19-inch rack mount. Let's take a closer look at each of them. This is the GRS H01 adjustable depth heavy-duty fixed vent rack shelf. Crafted with heavy-duty construction steel and supports up to 330 pounds. Includes all M5 nuts and screws and fits any 19-inch EIA 310 standard rack. This is our GRS H02 heavy-duty adjustable fixed rack shelf. 27.5-inch deep shelf and mounts between 19.5 and 38.3 inches with the adjustable mounting included. Hardware fits in a standard rack, and the main difference here between the two is that this one is not vented. The holes on both of these shelves are CNC'd, so it's built with high-quality steel. No burrs and no warping, which you might see in traditional cold pressing or folding. Next is our cable management ducts. This is the GRO HD 1U 19-inch horizontal cable management duct. This kit includes 2 screws and bolts to mount properly. The duct cover latches on each corner of the panel. This includes finger ducts above and below to allow cables to pass through the sides and through the rear of the duct. Manufactured to fit any 19-inch EIA 310 standard rack with heavy-duty steel, this duct offers a secure and organized solution to routing cables within a rack. Next below is our other cable management duct, the GRO HD 2U19. Similar to the 1U, the difference here is the front portion is more flexible and made of plastic. This kit includes all screws and bolts to mount properly. The mounting portion is made of heavy-duty steel and fits any 19-inch EIA 310 standard rack. The cable fingers are a bit slimmer for more fine-tuning cable management. Now, let's look at the server racks. Here you can see the GRWV 4U 19-inch deep vertical wall mount server rack mounted in a vertical and horizontal setup. Above is the setup of the GRWV 4U 19-inch deep vertical wall mount server rack with an HDMI switch mounted. Like the previous racks, this is made of heavy-duty steel and can support up to 125 pounds of equipment. This kit includes with screws to mount on wooden surfaces, and is a very easy setup for smaller projects where a full rack isn't needed. Now here is the GRDH 8U 19-inch open-frame desktop rack. Again, built with robust steel. Ships with cage nuts and screws included. 8U max mounting capacity and has a 110.2 pounds maximum capacity. Here you can see it set up with the same HDMI switch. If you have questions about any of these products, please contact us at sales@iogear.com.